Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shehzad and today we are going to install Linux. Yes, the Linux CentOS installation we will do how to install a Linux. So there is different kind of Linux like Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu, some others also there. But the mostly I like the CentOS and Red Hat. Red Hat is you have to purchase a license, and CentOS is totally free. So, but it's similar to each other. So let's go and check how we can download CentOS from the web page. It's totally free. If you go in the Google and just type CentOS, it will bring you to the this page. And if you click on this page, it will take you to here on the CentOS official page. And if you click Get CentOS Now, it will take you another page. And there you can get CentOS Linux iOS. If you click here, and it will give you to the download mirrors. So you can use any mirror to download. Right now, the CentOS 8.1 is going on. So I have downloaded this one, and let's go. So after download, I have uploaded this image. We will install CentOS on this ESXi server. So before making a virtual machine here, we have to upload the image to the data store. Okay, if I come to the data store in the iOS, I made a one folder, and here I have uploaded. If you see, we have minimal CentOS, and if I go for my data store here, and I have downloaded another one. Just wait. Okay, this one. Okay, so minimal is like command base. You will not have a graphic in that. You can install, and then all the commands, it will be a black terminal there. So you can do it. It's very less size. But if you wanna experience all the GUI and other things and terminal, so you have to upload the new one, and it's also 8.1 and full ISO. So we'll use this one, and we'll create a virtual machine here on this one. Right click, new virtual machine. Okay, create new, next, and we'll say Linux CentOS SRV1 server 1. Okay, so I want to discover in the folders. Okay, next. Okay, yes, on this ESXi server I want to install. Next. Okay, which data store? I will definitely use second data store, which is on my HP, this server. Next. Okay, next. Here we will choose Linux, and here we'll see if there is a Red Hat CentOS is available or not. If I go, there is SUSE as well. Here is CentOS or later, so 64-bit. Next. Okay, right now the disk is here. I will use like 40 or maybe 60 gig, and the memory is like this. I will use 4 GB. Okay, and one CPU I can use 2. Okay, so this is my hardware settings. Next, and finish. Let's create. It will create a virtual machine for us. Okay, now virtual machine is created. We will go, and just on that machine which we just created, we have to mount the image into the, we'll go right click, edit settings, and here in the CD DVD drive I'll use iOS from data store because I have uploaded on the data store. So we have CentOS full version and minimal. I will use 8, CentOS 8. Okay, and I'll ask on power on, it's connect the drive. Okay. Okay, the iOS is mounted to our server, so I will just power on and we will open a console for this machine. Okay, powered on and our console is here. He's saying you want to test or you want to test the media and then install. You can do test when you are going to install in a corporate sector. So it's better to check the media if it is not corrupted, download corrupted, or it's okay or not. So it's better to do test, but we are going to install here on our lab environment, so it's okay. I will go for the first option, hit enter. So it will take a little time to bring us the installation. Okay, started. Installer is going to start. After loading, it will bring this screen to us, which is you have to your language keyboard. Okay, we'll choose English. Continue. Okay, so here is 2-3 things before you go begin installation. You have to go to the install here and you can select your drive is okay. This one is already selected and we'll do done. And after that you do, this is the thing, the installation source, you just click here, done, and then you can give a time settings. So I'll go, I think here I am, the Dubai is here somewhere. Yeah, got it, see, and then Asia Dubai and done. Okay, so and time zone, let's see. Okay, time zone is okay. Okay, and okay, done. So next, all okay. And if you want to apply a security policy from like a hardening, you want to do hardening, so there will be a policy by the CentOS. You can do it. We have done. And let's begin installation. I will click begin installation. Here you can set a root password. Meanwhile it's installing, we'll go and set a root password. Okay, you can give a strong one, but I am using like just 6 characters. Done. Okay, press done again to use the password anyway. Okay, and if you want to create another user, so you can create here. Okay, this is the whole. It'll let it be download the packages and install on the local machine. So meanwhile, it's installing and doing some preparation for the media on this screen. I will pause my video, and after it moves to the next screen, I'll come back and we will walk together. Okay guys, I'm back and our installation has been completed. You can see the CentOS Linux is now successfully installed and ready to go, ready for use. And let's reboot. Okay, CentOS starting now, first time. So meanwhile, we'll check our media is unplugged automatically, or do we need to? So because it's installed on the machine, so it's still there, but I hope so it will not gonna use it. Yeah, it's the graphic is starting. So this one is 8, just released, and the latest one, CentOS 8. So similar like 7. So let's see. It is booting up. Okay. We will accept the license. Done. And finish configuration. Okay guys, here is the welcome screen. We'll go next. Next. Skip these things. Okay, about you, your name, you can give. Shehzad. Next, you're gonna put your pictures. Okay. That's okay. Even it's saying weak, but we are okay. Okay. We are ready. Here we go. And if you want to use root, as we will use the main, so we have all the features. Okay, welcome. English is done. Go next. Okay, next. Typing. No need. Next. Skip these things. Okay, come on, start. Here we go. If you want, we can click close, further things. And here is all the activities. Here is terminal. See? Okay. NMTUI, there is a command for OK. Config. We can see our interfaces. Yeah. And there is another one. NMT. Let me check that command. Actually, it's NMTUI, NMT utility. Okay. So here we will set our connection, added connection. Okay. This is our interface. And we're gonna edit. And this is the network. Okay, profile, just go here, choose manual. Okay, and we'll okay, we'll add .168.100 dot, for example, 119. Okay, if you want, you can add another IP. Okay, gateway is 192.168.100.1. This one gone. Okay, and DNS is our 192.168.100.102. That's it. Okay. No IPv6 and then okay. So here you can do and add the more Ethernet if you want. You can add it, another one, and give the Ethernet connection one. That was the profile related to this one. Automatic, you can start manual. Okay, and show, and you can add here your IP address. Okay, so I will now do, here is the all NMTUI utility you can play with to give the IP address. Okay, cancel and go back. Active connection is this one, wired. Okay, quit. Oops. So student 106. Okay, 112. Okay, let's do it one more time. Enter, added connection. Let's add and Ethernet. Okay, connection one. We will see Ethernet here, MAC address and other things. This one we want to do manual. Okay, add a IP address 192.168.100.119/24, and let's add gateway. Okay, and let's add DNS, domain controller, and that's it. Okay, so go back. Okay. Oh, sorry. Go back and quit. Okay. So we can see our, I want to see now we have our internet and with the net mask. And this thing, NMT utility is good graphical. You can set the username, sorry, the network address. But there is a file also which you can configure with the file, and then you can do that. So this was the video regarding our installation of CentOS, and if you guys like it, just press the like button, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon with all, so you will receive new upcoming videos, the same series. Thank you very much.